Hey everyone! Welcome back to The Silver Lining here on YouTube, or welcome if you're new. I'm Sarah, and today I am going to show you the February 2022 Joyful Jordan box. As you know, the Joyful Jordan box is the Jordan Essentials subscription box. It's a surprise box that comes in the mail and it ships for free to subscribers each month. This month is a special month because our value is much higher, and as of February 2022, with the arrival of our spring and summer catalog, the price is going up just slightly to $29 instead of $25, and the value of the box is going up from $35 or more to $50 or more. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump in to this box. Inside the little box of awesomeness is some really big savings. This month on the postcard, it says, "Celebrate You, Jordan Essentials, Healthy Skin, Healthy Life." And it was established in February of 2000. And I am loving the color scheme and the celebratory theme here. On the back, you'll see all the products that are inside and a little blip about each one. We will start with the Oatmeal Milk and Honey Lotion Bar. This lotion bar is where the whole company started. The story is that Nancy Bogart was looking for some income and made a whole bunch of lotion bars in her kitchen for a craft fair. She quickly sold out and realized that this was going to become something, and the company sort of grew from there. That's the short version. The Oatmeal Milk and Honey Lotion Bar is where it all started. Moisturizing, safe, healthy, and handy. Simply open the tin, place the lotion bar in your hands, and rub on for smooth, soft skin. It works well for hands, elbows, and feet too. So the lotion bar is a beeswax base. Beeswax does not inhabit bacteria, so this is a shareable product. And it also has a low melting point, so as I'm cupping it in my hands and warming it up and rubbing my hands on it and rubbing it on my hands and other areas of my body, it's melting off and it's starting to absorb into my skin. That is leaving my skin moisturized, and because our products are botanically based, not full of toxic ingredients, it will absorb into my skin in 26 seconds, and the beeswax will help to protect that moisture and seal it in. Next, I want to talk to you about the Unscented Magnesium Lotion, which we're kind of hopping around here a little bit. But the Magnesium Lotion is another signature product here at Jordan Essentials. This on-the-go lotion is perfect to help soothe achy and tired muscles, or enjoy it as a smooth and hydrating lotion for your skin. It's enriched with organic ingredients like aloe, sunflower oil, jojoba oil, and magnesium. So magnesium, like I said, with the 26 seconds, it absorbs and goes into your skin, into your bloodstream right where you need it. So the magnesium is great to use for different achy areas, sore muscles, even spasms, cramps, and eye twitches. It is a super helpful product. Next, I'll go to the Helio Spray. This powerful blend of magnesium and helichrysum, green tea, aloe, and wintergreen works together to ease minor pains caused by deep or chronic inflammation of joints and muscles. So this is magnesium boosted up for bigger results. The Helio has the helichrysum essential oil and the wintergreen, which helps to penetrate deeper into those sore, achy areas, and it can really help. With the wintergreen, it has a little bit more of a medicinal smell, like one of those hot cold creams that you would use, but the spray is super convenient for those areas that you can't quite reach with your hands. And last but certainly not least is the exclusive full-size product this month, this Magnesium Stick, which is an amazing product, but it is in the Energy blend. The Energy Magnesium Stick invigorate your senses and enhance your energy level with orange, peppermint, lemon, eucalyptus, and frankincense essential oils. So this blend of essential oils is perfectly blended and then put into our Magnesium Stick, which is also a beeswax base. So this product does not harbor bacteria. It's a shareable product and you can put it directly on your skin. And not only do you get the aroma of the essential oils, but you also get the benefits of that energy blend. And I can smell it already just from opening it, and I just love the smell. I can really smell the orange, which orange is really invigorating, peppermint is invigorating, eucalyptus is really stimulating. So this is such a great blend and such a good addition to this box. So you're really getting a good array of products in this box and such a great value this month. February, of course, as we know it traditionally, is the month of Valentine's Day and sharing the love. I also invite you to celebrate you and love on yourself a little bit. This array of products is a great way to get acquainted with the brand and the products themselves. It really is a great way to introduce yourself to Jordan Essentials or share Jordan Essentials with others. As the postcard says, we were established in February of 2020, so we are celebrating our 22nd year this month, and this is a great way to celebrate with us, either gifting yourself or gifting others these products to use and fall in love with Jordan Essentials. As always, if you have any questions, please reach out. Check the description box below for a list of these products, as well as a link to my web store where you can find out more about Jordan Essentials and all the products that we have to offer. If you like this video or learned something new, leave a comment or leave me a thumbs up before you leave, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!